never see me weep again. I'm finished with tears forever.
You do have 2 sons left, Yuffie. And you have Meggie. It's not too late for Meggie.
Meggie.
Will you promise me something?
If you like.
Look after Meggie. Don't forget her. Make her go to the local dances, meet the young men. Help her look around her world and find some good, kind man to marry. Give her children and a home of her own. It's time.
Whatever you say, Father.
See, she's your daughter. It's as if you never remember that.
Does any woman? What's a daughter? Just a reminder of the pain. A younger version of oneself who will do all the same things, cry the same tears. No, Father. I try to forget I have a daughter.
Survived.
Meggie, I need no reminder of you. Not now. Not ever. I carry you within me. You know that. I must go.
Yes. Everything's all right now. All in order. The dead are buried and blessed. And you and Mum have my life planned out.
Meggie, we must make an end to this. My life belongs to God. You've always known that.
That dear and gentle God, who has taken from me everyone that I've loved most in the world. One by one. Frank and Hal and Stewie and my father. And you, of course. Always you. God is merciful. Left me no one else to grieve.
He is merciful. I know you can't see that now, but he is. He spared the rose. He sent the rain.
Who sent the fire?